How y'all doing? This is Brian from B&B Exotics. I wanted to show you a couple normals that hatched out of my pairing to prove my Blizzard out to see if he's hit for Trimper. So far, he has given me 12 normals. And it looks like, and he was bred to two different Raptors, one from JMG, one from Ron Trimper. So I have 12 normals that is het for Raptor, het for Blizzard. Alright? I just wanted to show y'all some of the babies that were proved out for him to be pure. I might have one of the purest Blizzards on the market. Alright. Just wanted to shoot this little video of some of his babies. I'll keep y'all posted, and thanks for stopping by. This is Brian.